Hi everybody, I'm Tanya Page, and I'm going to talk about school health education and promotion, being a school health education specialist. Most of my education, college education, has been towards elementary education with a pre-endorsement in health. And I felt when I was returning back to school after having children that I didn't want to be into the classroom. I didn't want to have to redirect all day. However, I have been doing some health education and promotion activities in my children's school for a HEP class, and I have really enjoyed this opportunity. I started off with one class, and then many other teachers have asked me to come to their class as well. And I want a job that is flexible for having children, and this job would be great. I would get to have holidays, weekends, and summers off, pretty much the same schedule as my children. School health education and promotion is instructing school-aged children on health and health-related behaviors in schools, and it can be elementary, middle, or high school. It is known that it is more effective to establish healthy behaviors in childhood than changing behaviors in adults. The goal is to teach school-aged children to understand how to take care of their health and well-being. Job responsibilities are lesson planning, grading, parent meetings, coaching, and redirecting. They may be involved in curriculum development and review of classroom materials. What is required to work in the schools as a school health education and promotion specialist? You need to have a bachelor's degree, and the bachelor's degree needs to be in health. And it can be in health education, health science, or physical education. One will need to complete an approved teacher program with a supervised teaching internship. One will need to apply for a license from your state board of education. School health education specialists need to take leadership in being an advocate for development for school health policy. It is important to teach health in schools at all ages. Pros and cons. The pros: one gets weekends, holidays, and summers off. You get the same schedule as children do. You get to be home in the evenings and home when the children are home. You get to establish healthy behaviors in the developing years. You get to be the one that helps pave the pathway for children to make healthy choices. Usually, there are good benefits and also good retirement package programs as well. Cons: you may have a relatively low status in the school district. Your pay tends to be lower than other health specialists, and you do have to redirect and discipline, which isn't necessarily my favorite, but it isn't horrible. And it may be difficult dealing with school boards, parents, community groups, when you're teaching controversial issues like sex education and drug education. My summary: school health education and promotion is working with children in schools to help teach them about their bodies and how to take care of their bodies. Being a mom with children in school, this is a great choice. You get to have weekends and holidays and summers off. You get to have the same schedule as children. One does need to have a bachelor's degree in a health field, as well as a license from your state board of education, and one needs to be okay with lower pay than other health specialists. And you do have to deal with redirecting and discipline. This career field can be challenging, but it can have very many rewarding benefits. This is my resources, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.